Hi friends, it's Mrs. Ramirez here, and I have some math work to do with you today. Now, in your packet, you received this page. Now this one is a little bit different than the one we got a few weeks ago. This one says ways I can solve a math problem. And today, we are going to work through some ways that we can show our thinking on a piece of paper when we are working through math problems. So, we have done some story problems on our 10 frames. You guys are really good at that. Today, we are going to show our work on pieces of paper. Okay, so in your packet you'll also find 2 pieces of paper, and you can use the front and the back of both of them for our work today. Okay, and as a reminder, make sure that after I say the story problem that you let your child have a little chance to work it out on their own and try their very best, and then you can continue that video to see how I did it. Okay? So, for today, we're going to work on solving story problems. That means I'm going to say a little story, and then you're going to do some thinking and show how you did your thinking on your paper. And the strategy that we are going to work on is this one. It says, I can draw a picture. So, I also have, as a reminder, because this one helps me out a lot, that you can use a numeral, a number. So we're going to do both of these things today to help us solve story problems. Okay, are you ready with your paper and your pencil? Okay, I'm going to read the story first, and I'm going to read it 2 times. I want you to really do your best listening. You might even close your eyes to try to understand what the story is telling you. Okay, are you ready? It says, John has 1 cat and 1 dog. How many pets does John have altogether? Okay, I'll say it one more time. Listen closely. John has 1 cat and 1 dog. How many pets does John have altogether? Now, can you try to draw a picture that matches that story? Okay, give it a try. Now, I'll show you what I did. Here's my paper. And remember, it said John had 1 cat, so I drew 1 cat right there. And then it said he had 1 dog right there. So I have my cat and my dog. I showed it with pictures, but here's the part that I was telling you about. Teachers like to see numbers when you're doing your story problems. So I'm gonna do the numbers together with you. So I have 1 cat, and this one I'm going to turn into a number 2. So I have 1, 2. How many pets does John have? He has 2. And I'm going to put a circle around that answer. There. We solved our story problem with a picture, and we labeled with numbers because it's nice for your teachers. Okay, are you ready for the next one? Okay, here it comes. Remember, I'll read it to you 2 times. Okay, these are getting tricky. Maria has 5 cats. 2 of the cats are black. The rest are striped. How many cats are striped? Okay. I'm going to read it one more time. You might have to close your eyes so you can get a little video going of what's happening in this story. Okay. Maria has 5 cats. 2 of the cats are black. The rest are striped. How many cats are striped? Now you solve it. Okay, are you ready to see how I did it? So, I have 5 cats. I didn't do fancy cats because in math we don't have to do fancy drawings. I just did the heads and ears. So I drew 5. Let's make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the story said that 2 of the cats are black. So 2 of these are black and the rest are the striped. Okay, so this one's black. I'm going to color that in. And this one's black. Okay, the story said 2 of the cats are black. And now the rest are striped. So I'm going to add some stripes to this one. 1, 2, 3. These are my striped cats. Okay, so the question was, how many cats are striped? Are you ready to label with numbers? So this one's striped. 1. This one's striped. 2. And 3. 3 of those cats are striped. And I'm going to put a big 3 here and a circle around it so it makes it easy on the teachers. Okay, are you ready for the next one? Okay, this one's really tricky. Okay, Ben was playing with 6 cats. 2 fell asleep. How many cats were still playing? Okay, I'll read it one more time. Ben was playing with 6 cats. 2 fell asleep. How many cats were still playing? Okay. So, I'm going to draw a picture. Now, it said Ben was playing with 6 cats. So I'm going to do those circles, those quick math drawings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I'll add some ears really quickly to make them look more cat-like. They look kind of like Pete the cat, just brown, huh? Okay, now it said that 2 of the cats fell asleep. Oh, cute cats must be taking a cat nap. So this one went to fall asleep, and then this one fell asleep. So how many cats are left? You label with my numbers. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cats are left. Okay. So, mathematicians, today we learned that we can solve a story problem on paper by drawing a picture and remembering to write our numbers to match. So, next time I see you, I will show you a new way to solve a story problem on paper. Okay, see you later.